Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. This is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how I ended up scoring 84 marks in my management accounting exam. So yes, my score in the management accounting, the MA or the F2 exam was 84 marks. So in this video I'm just trying to recollect what all I did and what are the possible tips that I can give you so that you are also able to do this and even better. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, it is very important that you understand the structure of the exam, right? So, ACCA, this F2 exam would generally be your second or your third exam. So you're still relatively new to the qualification to how ACCA works. So it's very important that you first of all understand what's the exam structure, how the questions are going to be asked in the exam. So just to give you a brief, the exam has 100 marks of paper. So you will be evaluated for entire 100 marks in your exam. Now, the exam comprises of two sections. So the 100 marks are bifurcated, are divided into two sections. First is your section A and second is your section B. Now, in your section A, you will have 35 questions, 35 objective questions. These will be MCQs, objective questions. MCQs or fill in the blanks or matching, selecting true or false. So this is what we mean by objective questions. So 35 questions and each question will carry 2 marks each. So your total for section A becomes 35 into 2, which is 70 marks. Now, out of 100, 70 marks have been allocated to section A. Now your section B has 3 case studies. So it has 3 multitask case studies, multitask questions. That basically means you have 3 questions. One question will have an entire case study, and out of that case study, you will have to answer multiple questions. That is why this is called multitask. So 3 multitask questions, and each multitask will be 10 markers. So within that 10 marker, there will be different requirements for separate marks, but the total for one case study will be 10 marks. So this in together will make up for 30 marks. The remaining 30 marks, 70 plus 30 gives you 100. So basically this is your structure, the exam structure for your management accounting exam. Now the second thing which you should know and you should pay heed to is your syllabus coverage. Syllabus coverage. Now, when you're covering your syllabus, make sure that you are not going for selective study. Make sure that you are studying all syllabus areas, no matter how small or big or difficult or easy they are. Selective study is a big no-no. This is your, base time where you are building your base for future papers. So MA, all of the concepts that you learn over here, you're forming a base for your PM exam, for your FM exam, and then eventually if you decide to appear for APM and AFM. So be very skeptical about selective study, because if you skip something here, you're spoiling all of this here line by line. So make sure you're not going for selective study, you're covering all of the things as they should be, and make sure that you are using official materials only, official study materials. So when we talk about ACCA, there are two, approved authors, two approved content providers, which are Kaplan and BPP. So ACCA has approved them. And another study material which is good for you is the Study Hub. So you only use these official study materials. Do not go for any other material. These are made specifically suited for the requirements that are there in ACCA. So make sure that you're using the right study materials and you're not doing selective study. Then the next thing which I like to tell you about is, so this is the third tip that I have for you. It's about seeking support. So seek support. What do I mean by that? if at all, knowledge level usually for commerce students, it's easy to grasp, it's easy to understand, but management accounting is something which you have not done previously. Any of your 11th, any of your 12th, any of your even in college, what you learn in management accounting is very different from what you do in ACCA. So it is absolutely okay to seek support, to seek guidance, to probably reach out to tutors, to go look for YouTube videos, for websites like accountancy. So make sure that whenever you feel stuck, whenever you're not able to get something, you seek support to for it. Go to tutors, go to mentors, whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you comfortable with the subject. Make sure that you're seeking the right support. Then the next thing which I would like to talk to you about is the importance of the ACCA official mocks. So, you know, whenever you're preparing for any exam, if you have studied for your board exams, you would have always given a lot of mock tests, some full syllabus tests wherein you were testing how much you know, how much you don't. So ACCA official mocks are such mocks which the ACCA provides. Usually, so it's a paid facility. There are two types of mocks. One are the set of 3 mocks that ACCA provides, and the other one is the specimen exams. So specimen exam is available for free of cost, but these set of 3 are chargeable by ACCA. You can go to your My ACCA and purchase these and practice these mock exams. We also provide these mock exams. If you want, you can DM us. And then the 5th point which I want you to take care is your reviewing and revision. So make sure that when you are sitting for the exam, you have reviewed your syllabus, you have reviewed what mistakes you were making while solving the kits, and you are revising all of the portions of the syllabus. Now, when it comes to practicing, make sure that you are practicing both of the kits at least, because the qualification of ACCA is new, relatively new to you. So make sure that you're practicing from both of the kits as well as the official mocks, so that you are, not leaving any stone unturned in your preparation. These are my tips for you to score good in your management accounting exam. I'll catch you in the next one. I hope that this was useful.